Mom, look, the scene is so beautiful outside. There are so many coconut trees everywhere. Dad, walk fast. I want to see what it looks outside.
Don't hurry, dear.
Dad, look. These parrots are so cute. They are here to welcome us.
Yes, dear.
They are saying welcome to Hawaii.
That is so good.
Dad, why is this luggage so heavy?
Because we packed many clothes and gifts for our trip.
My clothes!
Yes, dear, your clothes are inside. You packed many pretty dresses.
The air feels so beautiful here.
Yes, Hawaii feels warm and calm.
It is absolutely wonderful here. I just love it.
Here comes our taxi. Come on, let's go, girls.
Look at the houses outside, Mom. They are so colorful and beautiful.
Everything here is so beautiful and clean. Wow, look at this hotel. It's so big. Are we going to stay here?
Look around. It is so beautiful all around. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to Hawaii.
Mom, look. Here is such a beautiful fountain. I just love it. Mom, come here. I want to show you something.
Mom, look, the water is sparkling clear. You can see everything so clearly. Mom, I have not seen such clear water before. It looks so blue and clean, like glass.
We are going to our room now. They will get our bags.
Dad, look. This elevator is so huge.
Dad, look, there is a mirror in the elevator.
The mirror is for safely backing in and out of the lift without needing to turn around.
Here we are in our lovely room.
Dad, this room is so sunny. I love the sunlight coming in. Wow, Mom, this feels so great. Jump, jump, yeah. Mom, this feels so great. I love this bed.
Look, dear. You can see the beautiful mountains from here.
Mom, will we go to see those places? It looks so beautiful.
Yes, sweetie, we will.
Mom, can I play in the water there?
Yes, dear, you can.
Stop running around. I know you are very excited. Be careful, dear. I think I shall unpack the luggage now, so it becomes easier for us tomorrow. I have a surprise for you. Here, how do you like this doll?
Dad, she is so cute. You really surprised me. I didn't expect it. Thanks, Dad. My little doll, you are going to enjoy this place with me. Go to sleep now.
Look at the beautiful view from here.
Yes, look, there are so many vehicles all around.
Mom, look, those houses are so colorful. When are we going outside?
We will go out soon, my dear. Just wait for some time.
Mom, I am feeling tired. Can I take some rest now? But I don't want to go to sleep yet.
I know, sweetie, but it's important. You'll feel better after some rest. I think you had enough rest. We need to go and have some food now.
Wow, smells so good.
Mom, what are we going to order? The smell makes me so hungry. Can you order ice cream for me?
Yes, dear, after food.
This food is so delicious.
Dad, this ice cream is so yummy. Would you like to taste a little?
Shall we have some juice?
Okay, I want some pineapple juice.
Wow, it looks so peaceful here.
Indeed it is.
I have never felt so peaceful. The ocean sound is so close and calm.
Mom, Dad, I see a blue bird. Look how cute she is.
These small moments make our family feel close and happy.
These men and women are wearing their traditional island clothing and dancing.
Wow, this is so interesting. It is so colorful.
Dad, look at all these lovely dolls. Can you buy for me? They look colorful and fun. I want this one.
You already have so many dolls. Okay, no problem. Take the one you like.
I will take this one. She is so cute. I love her dress. It's so pretty. Can you pack this for me, ma'am? Thanks, Dad. That was very nice of you. I have so many dolls now. Dad, I am feeling sleepy and tired.
Okay, dear, you can rest now. Tomorrow we will enjoy more.
I am also very tired. Let's go to sleep.
Okay, we need to get ready now. We will go to the beach. The beach is close by. We will reach soon.
Wow, Daddy, we are already here. Can I go play in the water? Mom, this is so much fun. The water is so beautiful.
Let's go and sit for some time. The air is so fresh. The sand is so soft. The water is so blue. I like the waves.
Dad, what is special about Hawaii?
Hawaii has lots of beaches. It has mountains, it has flowers, and friendly people.
I like Hawaii.
Me too.
Now we go snorkeling.
Wow! Dad, that snorkeling was so much fun. Can I play in the water for some more time?
Why don't we go for a swim? It will be fun.
Wow, Dad, I enjoyed so much. What are we doing next?
I'm glad you enjoyed it, sweetie. Let's find some seashells. Look, a seashell.
I found one too.
This one's pretty.
The sun has set. We need to go back now.
Wow, it was a great trip!
Dad, I am so hungry now.
I know, sweetie. Food is coming soon. You said you were hungry. Now eat all that you can.
Mom, the food was delicious. I am so tired now. Shall we go into our room?
Of course, sweetie. Let's go.
You can go to bed now, dear. Sleep well. She seems to be really very tired. Let her rest. Had a lovely day, dear. Good night.